हरि ओम सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु दीर्घायुष्मान् भव स्त्रीभ्यः दीर्घ सुमंगली भव सर्वं जयति सर्वमंगलानि अभिवृद्धिर्भवतु तदास्तु. So I shall continue my lecture part number 35 English Vishnu Sahasranamam word by word meaning. So let us go to the shlokas straight away first. Imam stavam adhiyanah श्रद्धा भक्ति समन्वितः युज्येदात्मा सुखशांति श्रीधृधि स्मृति कीर्तिभिः is the verse. You can poetically, you can with raga, you can say imam stavam adhiyana shraddha bhakti samanvitah युज्येदात्मा सुखशांति श्रीधृति स्मृति कीर्तिभिः. I mean, that's a poetic way, but I am wanting to explain more of the word by word meaning. So what is imam? Idam shabdam ayam imau ime imam imau iman anena abhyam ebhihi, like that it will go. Imam is dvitiya vibhakti, him, this. First is ayam, means ayam imau ime is this. But you can say he or you can say him, no, like that. Imam, dvitiya vibhakti, ekavachanam. This imam stavaha, praises, stutihi, worshipping the Lord. Stavaha, this Sahasranama stavaha is a praises, no, Sahasranamam, 1000 names. Imam stavaha adhiyanaha. Adhiyanaha is Shanach, we have Shatru and Shanach Pratyaya. One is active voice, present continuous, and Shadri Shatru Pratyaya. And Shanach Pratyaya is passive voice, continuous, present continuous. You can make it also past, the way you want. Aham Kurvan Asam is I was doing, going on doing. So this Aham Kurvan Asmi means I am going on doing. This is Shatru Pratyaya. So if you say adhiyanah, being studied, going on being studied, aham kriyamanah, for kurvan kriyamanah, kurvanah, there are formations for that. You can say adhiyamanah and adhiyanah, but adhiyamanah, where it will come, adhiyanah is being studied. It's again a shanach pratyaya, passive voice. Shanach means passive voice, being read by me, like that. Being studied by me. I am studying, but being studied by me. So adhiyanaha stavaha, being the stavaha being studied. This one imam stavaha adhiyanaha. Then how? Shraddha bhakti. With shraddha, easy you can understand. Concentration, attention. Bhakti, devotion. Samanvitaha, you everything is getting obtained. You are obtaining. Is obtaining what? Let us see. Yujyedatma. So you will merge with the Atma. Yujyam bhavati. Yojyate. Yujyeda Atma. Sukha, bliss. You are attaining bliss if you merge. Sukha Kshantihi. Kshantihi is from Kshama. Ksha is a dhatu. Shanti is peace. Kshama. Shanti means tolerance here. Kshama, tolerance, patience. Sukha, patience. Smriti, kirtibihi. Kirtibihi is tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Kirti, strilingam. Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. By, with, since. By the kirtis, by the kirtana, by the praises. You can say Sahasranama is also a kirti. By the kirti ki smriti, from smriti, shruti smriti purananam alayam karunalayam. The Vedas is shruti and smriti. Shruti, hearing or telling, and smriti, in the memory. The rishis were teaching their shishyas, and shishyas were storing it in their memories. It was not written format. All this Sharda Lipi or Devanagiri Lipi or Nandina Giri Lipi, there are a lot of Lipis, Sharda and Brahma Lipi and all. They are very, very old formations. And the Devanagari, the present script, I would say it's only about 10th, 11th, 12th centuries only. The format was adjusted with the old writings. Brahmi script, everybody knows. Sharda Lipi, Brahmi and all. More or less with the nature they write on the paper. It's a big subject. So, Kirti Bihi, by the Kirtanas, Smriti, from the Smriti, that's what I want to say. Everything was kept in the Smriti, not in the written format. So, that's why we advocate Chandas. Sapta Chandas is there. Gayatri, Ushnuku, Anushtupu and all. Smriti Kirti Bihi. So, what happens? So, Imam, this praises Adiyanaha being studied by people, lot of people, with Shraddha, Bhakti, obtaining what? Yujjeta Atma. So, for Sukha and Shanti. This Kirtanas, Adiyanaha Kirtana is through Smriti. Adiyanaha Smriti Kirti Bihi, like that, being studied by through Smriti, by these Kirtanas, if you chant. So, Adiyanaha, being studied, Imam, this. Imam, that's what it means. Stavam. Stava is praises. Then, Yujjeta Atma. So, it gets merged. Yojyam, merged. The Atma. So that Sukha Shanti, Smriti Kirti Bihi, Dhriti. Dhriti is something like what you say, a firm, a command, a statement, a lot of meanings you can say. Dhri is a dhatu where I would say I am wearing or supporting. I am wearing means I am supporting. I am supporting this kapada, this cloth, this vastram. So Dhriti is supported of this Kirti Bihi with Smriti. So from your memory, you have to, this comes, the Kirti Bihi. So the Stavaha, the praises, the Kirti Bihi. By these Kirtanas, you will get all you will merge with the Atma, attain bliss, tolerance and everything. That's what it means. Next verse. Nakrodho nacha matsaryam nalobho nashubha matihi bhavanti krita punyanam bhaktanam purushottame. Na krodha, krodhat bhavati sammoha. Krodha destroys everybody, no anger. Krodho, it will come. You have to do a splitting. Visarga sandhi. Na krodha. Matsaryam, jealousy. Na krodho, na cha. Cha is and. Na is no. Matsaryam, no and no jealousy. Matsaryam, na lobaha. Lobo, it will come. If you do the Visarga sandhi, it will be na lobaha. Na lobaha, no greed. Kama, krodha, moha, loba and all. So no greed. Na lobaha. Na ashubha, na shubha, that is na plus ashubha. Na is also no. In plus na, ashubha, plus So it is savarna dirgha sandhi. Plus becomes So na shubha you will get. It is na ashubha, matihi, opinion. You will not get anger. You will not get the jealousy. You will not get what is known as the greed. Na ashubham. No dukkha. Uncomfort. No uncomfort is the opinion. Bhavanti krita punyanam bhaktanam purushottame. Bhavanti means it comes from bhudhatu, existence. Bahuvachanam prathama purusha. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. Ekam, dve, bhavataha. Bahuvachanam bhavanti, existing, existence, existing is here. Is bhavanti krita punyanam bhaktanam purushottame. Krita means done. Punyanam of the punyas, bhaktanam of the bhaktas, all are bahuvachanam, shashti vibhakti, possessive case, sixth vibhakti. Possessive of Rama, Ramasya we say. Ramanam of Ramas, of Devanam of Devas. So Bhaktanam of Bhaktas, Punyanam of the Punyas of the Bhaktas. Krita being done, existence what? Bhavanti krita punyanam bhaktanam purusha uttame. So, bhavanti, what bhavanti? In the purusha, the uttame. We become the uttama purusha, or uttame is again a saptami vibhakti. Uttamam uttame, in the purity of the purusha is existing. What all these things are existing. We are also existing with him. That's all. That's what it means. But purusha is, we know everything. So, what is existing? All these things. What will samanvitaha? You will get na shubha mativi. You will get no krodha, no anger. You will be a uttama purusha. Everything is existing in the uttama purusha. That's all. So no krodha, no jealousy, and no greed, no lobo, no ashubham, shubham, ashubham, nothing. Because you will be in the purusha uttame. Everything is there in the purusha. So you will yojyam. You will merge with him. That's what the artha means. Next verse. Dyauhu sa chandrarkha nakshatrakam disho bhur mahodadihi vasudevasya viryena vidridani mahatmanaha. Dyauhu, in the sky. Dyuhu is the ukaranta shabdaha, punlingaha, punlingaha. So Ukara means the famous Shabda is Guru Shabda, which all students should learn. Guru, Guravaha, Gurum, Guruna, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurvoho, Gurunam, Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu, Gurau, Dyau. So in, on, amongst is the Artha, Ekavachana, in the sky. So, Dyauhu, Gurauhu, I told you. So, Dyauhu in the sky, on the sky, or amongst the, what? Sa, Chandra, Arka. Chandra means, Sa means he. Saha, in Saha, that Lopaha, is the exemption is given, so they put Sa. Chandran, Arkaha, Suryan. Arkaha means lot of meanings we can say. Effulgence, the rays of the Surya, the sunbeams and all. But here we have to take Chandra and Arka, means moon and the sun. Sa, he, Chandra, moon, Arka, sun, Chandra, Arka, nakshatra, stars, come. Kha is a word in Sanskrit which denotes the sky, heavens. Him, the come, him, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Him, the sky, come, dishaha, disho will be there, it will be dishaha. Directions, dishaha. Bhuhu, bhur maho dadihi. Again you will have to do the sandhis. Dishaha, bhuhu, bhur bhuva swaha, like that. Bhu, earth. Or you can say pada, but it's earth. And bhuva is the atmosphere. And suva is the swargaloka. Bhuhu, maho dadihi. It will be maha udadihi. You have to split. So bhu is earth, maha udadihi. What is udadihi? One which is an arising frost. Dadihi means curds, for example. Ghritam means ghee, but this is curd. What is there in the curd? If you see Mahadadihi, the Milky Ocean, that's what they mean. Milky Way, I do not know how the Western scientists got the word Milky Way. Because we say the Milky Ocean because in the ocean when they were doing the for getting Amrita, there's a big story, with Vasuki as the serpent and all. They churned the hill. The frothy, the Maha Udadihi, the arising froth is, that's all it means. Udadihi means the Milky Ocean is applied meaning, but it is Ud plus Dadihi, Udadihi. Dadihi is curd. Arising means when you churn the ocean with the mountain, you can see the frost. Even normally during some monsoon seasons, the waves will be splashing and highly frothy it will be there. Milky it will be there. Curd, white color. So it's called curds. That's all. Where Mahavishnu, that's why they call probably Milky Way. Even the galaxy. Milky Way. Mahodadehi. Vasudevasya viryena vidritani mahatmanaha. Vasudevasya, again, Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Vasudeva, Viryena, by the Virya, Tritiya Vibhakti, Viryena. Ramena. Vasudevasya Viryena, by the bravery, Vidr Tani, those, Vidrtam means revelation, showing, existing, of the Mahatmanaha, Maha-Atman. Who is that Vasudevan? Mahatmanaha Vasudevasya Viryena Vidritani, Tani Vidritam. So by the courage of the pure Atma Vasudeva, these things, Chandra, Arkam, Nakshatram, Bhuhu, Maha Udadihi, all Dishaha is revealed. Vidritani. Tani means those. Tatute Tani. Napumsaka, neutral gender. Napumsaka lingam we say. Cliv lingam also we will say. Tatute Tani. That, it, those two its and those. Neuter. Tani Vidritam. Vidritaha Tani. All those things are revealed because of the Virya of Vasudeva, of the Virya of the Mahatmanaha Vasudevasya Viryena. Like this is Artha. Sasurasura Gandharvam Sayakshoragarакшасam Jagatvashe Vartatedam in Krishnasya Sacharacharam. Beautiful. Sa, he, Sura, Asura, Surasura, Sasurasura. So, Sa, you have to take it separate. Sura means Deva, Asura means Rakshasa. Gandharva means between Rakshasa and Asura. They are all different forms of energy. We have lots of heat energy, chemical energy, electromagnetic energy. We have lots, no? It can be a chemical energy, it can be a heat energy, electric energy. So, there are lots of formats which later scientists, but our ancients knew, our rishis knew all those formats. Sasurasura Gandharvam sa he yaksha yakshan yakshaprashnaha is again another form. Is not a devil or a rakshasa. Sasurasura Gandharvam sa yaksha uraga sa yakshoraga. That again you have to split as Yaksha plus Uraga. Uraga means snakes. One that slips away. So we have to know the sandhis in Sanskrit, otherwise it's very difficult to understand the meaning. Sayakshoraga Rakshasam. So Uraga is snake. Yaksha, so Sayaksho. That is Sa, Yaksha plus Uraga. Rakshasam. Him the Rakshasam. Again, Ditiya Vibhakti. Rakshasaha Rakshasam. Ditiya him the Rakshasam. So all these things, snakes, Rakshasa, what is that we'll see. Jagatvashe, in the grip, in the attraction of the world. Jagat means we know, is the universe. Jagatvashe, towards the Jagat. In the grip, in the attraction, in the fold, in the grip of the Jagat. Jagatvashe Vartata Idam. Existing idam. Idam means this. All these things be existing. After existing, Jagat was Krishnasya, of Krishna. Krishnasya Vartata Idam Jagat Vashe Chara Acharam. That you will get the combination of Sachara Charam. Sachara Charam. Sa means again he, that he refers. Chara means what? Ham charami means I am walking, I am going. Chara acharam. So moving and immoving, movable and immovable. Chara, achara, a is a haladi pratyayaha for a venjana. Venjana is, cha is a venjanam. It's not a swara. So achara, opposite. Moving, chara, immoving, movable, immovable. That's all. So everything which is movable, immovable, everything which is the Chandran, the Suryan, the Nakshatram, the Dishaha, the Bhuhu, the Milky Way, Mahadadihi. I am only referring to the Milky Way. I am not referring to the ordinary ocean here, Bay of Bengal or Indian Ocean. Maha Udadi, all Jagatvashe Vartata Idam, everything belonging to the Jagat. Krishnasya. All belongs to Krishna, is of Krishna. Or that means Characharam, movable and immovable, Krishnasya. You have to put like that. Everything Krishnasya eva. So that is the meaning for this, and this verse. With this, I am ending my today's lecture. The more of it I will continue. Please tune in to my subscribe to my channel so that you can continuously get the parts, all those things in a steady manner. Till such time, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam Hari Om.